Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Aardwolf Mitre clamp. Constructed of cast aluminum, Aardwolf corner clamps are designed to hold corner joints together in a secure manner. With fast installation and quick release jaws, this corner clamp provides an easy-to-use solution for gluing and stapling work pieces. Pneumatic tire spreaders. Take your tire repairs to the next level with the Pneumatic PCR SUV and LT tire spreader, an immensely useful piece of equipment to have in your tire and car repair shop. The design of its spreader hooks enables an adjustment to the sidewall height and a 4-level adjustment for tire width. Its pedals spread and release sidewalls smoothly and automatically, allowing to adjust hooks in the process if needed. Plug and use the light to inspect the tire thoroughly and easily roll it with the help of the rollers until you locate the source of the issue. Keep everything in hand with its large tool tray and its air outlet that allows to connect your repair tools directly into the base. With its great look, quality finish, and solid build, Martin's tire spreader will deliver on all its promises. Ingco hydraulic steel cutter. Bevel boss cordless pipe bevels quickly and safely bevel 2 inches diameter and larger plastic pipe. The tool's unique design makes the Reed Bevel Boss the only tool in the industry that provides a safe and speedy way to bevel. Cordless pipe beveler trims small to large diameter plastic pipe, including pipe already in the ditch. This lightweight tool significantly reduces prep time by quickly and consistently beveling when preparing multiple pipe lengths. These pipe bevelers are used on PVC and CPVC plastic pipes. Add bevels on most PVC glue joints and some sizes of bell and gasket joints. Adjustable for bevel length up to 1 inch, the required carbide router bits are cut evenly and efficiently. Battery powered, this cordless pipe beveler has no fumes. The guide plate eliminates guesswork about the bevel and yields a consistent result. A pipe bevel is required to stop damage to the gasket when installed into a pipe bell. Makita Brushless belt sander. The detailed belt sander delivers corded performance with cordless convenience. The compact design and 160-degree pivoting arm can reach tight spaces and is easier to store. The XSB01Z is engineered for detailed work in wood and steel applications, including fine carpentry and furniture making, welding, ornamental metal structures, automotive, and more. Magnetizer ring and Demagnetizer by Olsa tools. Simple and compact design allows you to magnetize and demagnetize all of your bits on the go with only one swipe. The powerful rare earth magnet keeps the magnetism on your bits longer than regular magnetizers. Not only does this act as a magnetizer and demagnetizer, you can also use it as a screwdriver bit holder to keep your fastener straight every time. Use the magnetic bit holder on your hexel and key wrenches and all of your screwdrivers. Also works with any household drill and drill bit. Olsa Tools products are quality products manufactured to last. Any Olsa Tools product proven to be faulty in manufacturing or materials will be replaced free of charge. Roddie Pipe Shark. The Pipe Shark water line bursting system is for the replacement of old water pipes by splitting, and simultaneously pulling in the new product pipe. Crescent Tools Tradesman Tool Bags. The Crescent Tradesman Open Tool Bag. The newly designed sleeves hold the tools in place without losing small bits in the bottom of the pockets. The interior divide splits the bag into two sections to provide increased organization for identifying the right tools for the job. This bag features a hard polypropylene base that provides the durability you need to keep your tools safe and dry. These bags are built to take the abuse of everyday job site use. Trimmer for PVC. The edge remover is a working tool that helps simply remove slightly raised to sharp edges which form during the formatting of foam plastic boards. Parallel jaw grip. The versatile, one-handed grip holds a wide range of cable sizes from 0.60 copper to 4.77, reducing the number of grips needed. 20% lighter than the traditional KT4500 grip with easy, one-handed actuation. Work is smarter, not harder, with less grips to carry. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.